sing today. Fruits from A to Z, hooray! Healthy snacks, a rainbow delight. Join the song and sing it right. A is for apple, crisp and sweet. B is for banana, the perfect treat. C is for cherry, ruby and small. D is for dragon fruit, the coolest of all. E is for elderberry packed with zest. F is for fig, a flavor that's the best. G is for grape, in clusters they shine. H is for honeydew, smooth and divine. A, B, C, come sing with me. Fruits from the garden, land and sea. Healthy and bright, what a delight. Let's enjoy our fruits, A to Z. I is for Indian fig, prickly yet neat. J is for jackfruit, a tropical treat. K is for kiwi, green inside. L is for lime, with a tangy glide. M is for mango, a golden jewel. N is for nectarine, so fresh and cool. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pineapple, where sweetness is found. A, B, C, come sing with me. Fruits from the garden, land and sea. Healthy and bright, what a delight. Let's enjoy our fruits, A to Z. Q is for quince, fragrant and rare. R is for raspberry, with flavor to spare. S is for strawberry, red and bright. T is for tangerine, a citrusy bite. Nor Q is for ugly fruit, wrinkled yet sweet. V is for vanilla bean, a fragrant treat. W is for watermelon, cool and round. X is for exigua, where summer is found. Y is for yuzu, with zest to impress. Z is for Zinfandel, great fruity success. Now we've sung from A to Z. Fruits are fun, you must agree. A, B, C, what a journey it's been. Fruits are nature's treasure within. Every bite, every chew, fruits are good for me.